Alright, today I'm playing a game called Vectromirror. Zero. I don't know if that's zero, I think it's a part of it. Yeah. So I'm just gonna play. I've never been able to finish this game. I only got it like yesterday or the day before, but every time I get like up to the second level I get interrupted, can't do stuff. So, in short, it's a jumpy game. I can push stuff or pull stuff. And that's pretty much all I know of so far. But yeah, there's also wall running, just not on, you have to wall run on some specific brick kind of thing. Yeah, I should really stop just blindly running. So yeah, this is the material, the texture I require on a surface to run along the side of it. If that made any sense at all. Okay. Then we go down. Okay. Let's go this way. Okay, yep. This way. Didn't need to close that or try to. It was just kind of for the fun of it. Uh-oh. Okay, just made that. That was a tad closer than I would have liked it to have been. Yep. Okay, this is where the game starts to be new kind of stuff. Oh, so I think that depends on where I am. Like whether or not that moves. Don't think I needed to wall run on that. I guess it's nice to have the option. Okay, this way, whatever that means. Oh. Okay. Where am I? I ran into that. I'm accepting full responsibility for that stupidity. Okay. What's this? Why is this crooked? Yeah. And what is on the other side of that? There is a wall. Oh. There's a spinny death disc. Okay. Oh, how convenient. Oh, I had to jump to that one. Okay. I get you. It's a learning experience, okay? I'm figuring it out as I go along. Trying to not die from deadly swinging pendulums. That's probably what they are, I suppose. I think this isn't... I could have just gone down there, couldn't I? I don't know. I'm figuring this out. What does that say? Query, if I switch this... What? Oh, okay. I'm figuring stuff out. So I think there's like some sneaky background testing going on here, like I'm some test subject, maybe. But as far as I know, there is no character voice stuff. Yeah, I thought that looked a little suspicious. Whatever I was walking on. Okay, was that where I was supposed to go? I don't know. Okay. Let's go up here. Yeah. Okay, maybe if I put a little more emphasis in needing to desperately get up there. I see. Gotta go back here. Okay. Let's commit to this. Why wouldn't make the proper emotional connections? Theory! Develop color shape association. Words aren't happening today, I'm just gonna deal with that. Change spectrum. Okay, is there colors now? Oh. Okay. Orange. That's cool, I suppose. Okay. Keep on keeping on. So yeah, I'm familiar with the double jump and the wall running bits. This is all new to me, by the way. I haven't gotten out of the green area yet because I haven't been able to. Haven't had the time. Okay, note to self. So the fourth modular to 3/4 of. I'm glad that's a note to self and not my problem. Oh, I see. That's quite the launch. Ah, you pranked me. Why? It did it again. How dare you? Stop it. Okay. It feels really cool breaking stuff like that. In the slow motion. I blatantly just jumped there. I almost fell for that trick again. Hop. Any of these dudes move? Wait, these would have been great to know. Okay. Let's just clear that out first. You know, just... There we go. So I have to be quick because these platforms apparently fall. That would have been excellent to know. Oh, I see. Maybe I don't see anywhere near as well as I thought I did. That's a good old boink. I don't know if the arrows down there are telling me to go somewhere. Yeah. This is like, although I'm like dying a lot, it is kind of still very fun to just mess around with these blocks. Huh. Is there more out there? I hit my head on the roof. Is this relevant? Probably not. Does it really think I could make such a jump? I don't think I can make that kind of jump. Maybe I need to commit. Okay, here. Oh, I can make that kind of jump. Okay, that was a commitment issue on my part then. Oh, hello. Did not expect that. Okay, where are we going? Little platform? This way? No, come on, no, please. Okay, at least I'm only back here. Oh. I find it really confusing to look at that stuff. Why did I jump that early, at least? I don't understand the full power of the platforms just yet, the moving ones. So how far up does it go? It goes up to here. So about there is where I need to jump. Did I double jump or did I hit my head? I don't know. I am dying a lot. This isn't okay. I would rather not die, but you know, I can't choose everything. I can't pick what's gonna happen. Yep. This reminds me of that Titanfall 2, like time travel constant jumps. Note to self, the observation. Analyze how the subject will react to more complex pathfinding. Oh, I get you. I'm the subject, and I gotta react to stuff. Oh, that looked wacky. What's this? It's a tube. Oh. Okay, I suppose I'm in the tube. Alright. Okay, I feel like this is supposed to get progressively harder as the game goes on. And it has been so far. But that's good. Yeah. I lucked out there, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, this is weird orientation. Self-recognize an eventual full sentence. Should have goodness. What? Where are we going? This way. Cool stuff. Nice fan blades, I think. If they stab me, they're not cool, but you know. Okay. That's weird. That looks like a car wash thing. Let's not run into the car wash. Oh, secrets. What do you say? Traverse your objects, genuine peril, blah blah blah. enough to generally feel anything. That's funny. I don't feel any. That's kind of weird to look at. Whoa, whoa. Okay, I'm good. I'm very good. I'm figuring stuff out as I go along. Yeah. Oh, that scared me. I was not expecting walls to move around me. I was not expecting to get visually assaulted by a wall either. All of those things are new experiences for me. Uh-oh. Suppose this works. Just to mess myself up, you know. Okay, I've got this. Check out them moves. That's pretty cool. Okay. Are we changing color again? Oh, that's a cannon. And then I couldn't move, but it's okay. Red, lots of it. Let's see what's up. Okay. This is confusing. Throws me off a little bit, but that's alright. I will adapt and overcome. What is happening? What is this place? Where am I? Yep. Okay, guess I'm supposed to go up here. Boop. Oh. Okay, no, it just tells me that I was going the right way. Okay, let's keep at it then. I don't know what to do after this or at this point. I haven't seen any of this before. And how come I just walked into it before then? What? So now you close. Or open. I don't understand it completely. Got it. Don't do this at my own pace. Do it at the game's pace. Wasn't expecting a sudden stop. Why not come back? Hey. Okay. Yeah. This is some funky stuff. Yeah. Why me? Why me have to suffer? I jumped too hard and broke logic. This is just like really bad surfing. Why did I get jolted forward? You know what? It's fine. Everything is okay. No, it's not. I lied. Okay. I had it before. You just gotta kind of jump and then barely catch on. Then you land on this one. Yeah. And where do I go? And why does it fling me in the air? Okay. Okay, there's like walls and stuff. How do I get up to them? Do I let it fling me? Is that what's happening? feel like I made a mistake. What is this? Okay, I am kind of lost here. What do I do? Am I supposed to get flung from all the way back there to up there? This would be great if I knew where I was going. This bit's kind of tricky looking. Oh, I get it. It do that on purpose. This is a new thing. Okay. It didn't do its job. I don't know what to tell you there. Okay, I guess it did. I just jumped as well. Okay, let's do this again. Here. 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 A little bit of dabbling in the dark arts of cool parkour moves. And we'll get there. I'm gonna get this. I'm committed. I don't know how many levels there are in this, but I know that I want to finish most, if not all of them. Could have double jumped there. Oh, still got the checkpoint. Oh, this isn't like those other blocks. This one's quirky. That is like the other blocks. Are any of these different? I get it. So there's fake ones. Don't think it matters which one I choose to stand on, but you know, just good to know that there are fake ones. Yeah. Okay. Excuse me. Hang on a minute. How do these work? They're so confusing and stuff. How wide are they? Could probably jump around them. Because that was a fake door. Is that what happened, or? I don't know. Okay. That was not fake thing. Oh wait, no, it was a pillar. It was good. It wasn't as risky as I thought it would be. I survived after all. Why did that go green? Huh? Okay, well, I don't get it, but it was confusing. Well, I guess it's just whatever I touch goes green. In the term of walls and platforms. Okay. Probably shouldn't test if they're like movable blocks or not while I'm standing on them. That's a little bit of a foresight slash hindsight. Hindsight because I technically tested the blocks, but foresight because it wasn't fake blocks. These ones are fake blocks. I guess that is also another way to find out. Stand on them, see if you die. This iteration is complete. Now the real work begins. Okay. That looked like a bottomless pit to me, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, no, the last set failed when we did this. You need to push the test through. I didn't know there was story to this. The performance is lacking, accuracy is going, and the data we need. Oh, it's showing the data we need. I cannot allow this company to fall. We've done over 146 tests, and yet VMO still failed their hypothesis. This cannot be accepted. What? Oh, this was only the beginning. Oh, this is early, yeah? Oh no, that was early access gameplay footage. Okay. I didn't know that. Wow. That was Vectromirror. That was kind of very cool. I actually liked that. That was wacky and wild. Bit of an adventure. Oh cool, look, I got out the map. Right, abilities. Oh. Okay, is this... Okay. So this game's still not fully out then, maybe? I don't know. Either way, great game. I liked it. If you liked it, leave a like. If you have suggestions for other games I should play, leave that in the comments. And if you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I'm a Skedaddle. See ya!